Father and mother. Father and mother. Father has the sound a, and mother has the sound a, mother, mother, father. These are two vowel sounds. One of them is very long, which is father, and the other one is short, mother, mother. Now let's look at the long sound first, which is sound. Like I said before, to distinguish the long sound from the short sound, look at the two dots in front of the sound symbol. Now, they are part of the sound symbol, in fact. When you see any sound symbol that has two dots, these two dots refer to the long sound always. So today our sound, the long sound are in as in the word mother, father, 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 Now to make this sound, you need to open your mouth wide, fa, fa. Then drop your jaw down, fa, fa. Keep the sound long, fa, father, You open your mouth wide, then drop your jaw down. The sound spelling for this is the letter A plus consonant. If there is a letter A and there is a consonant, then the sound is a, like after, ask, bath, class, dance, fast, father, and glass. Another sound production letters are AR. The letter A and the letter R together, they produce the sound R, like bar, car, far, park, star, and start. These are long sound production letters. When we have the letter AU together mostly at the beginning of the words, we have aunt and laugh. Aunt, laugh. There are three letters. When they come together, they constitute and produce the sound R, like E-A-R, like hot, hot, hot. This is the sound R, a vowel sound as a monophthong. Let's see how this sound is physically produced. Car. Car. Ah. 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 Arm. Scarf. Scarf. Car. Car. This is the sound R, is a long vowel sound. English language sounds are inconsistent. They're the most difficult part of the language. It's just we have to learn them.